Hello YouTube, so I'm gonna make a video that goes over a lane change. I'm gonna go on details about lane change. I have a video that does lane change, but again I'm doing another video because I have a better camera and I can show you more in depth, you know, what the lane change entails. Right? So I'm going to do it a couple of times. I'm going to do a couple of changes and let you see what I'm talking about, right? So we're going to go to the right lane. So the first thing you would do, you would look into the rear view mirror here, right? And then you would look into the side mirror. And then right before you turn, you would look into the blind spot. And then you will turn. Okay? And if you notice, I am over into the next lane, and you do it very gradually. You don't make any abrupt turns. You look, rear view mirror, side mirror, blind spot, and then you go over gradually. And you know, instinctively, most people want to slow down. As soon as you tell them that they're going to change lane, they slow down. We want to avoid slowing down. Most times you can go over at whatever speed you're going. Sometimes you need to actually increase your speed. If there's a car in the lane that you're trying to go to, then you would increase your speed to go over. So we're going to go back to the left, right? So we're going to signal left. And again, we're going to look into the rear view mirror. We're going to look into the side mirror. And then we're going to look into the blind spot as we gradually go over, right? See, again, I'm into the left lane again. I'm going to do that again to the right side. So you look in the rear view mirror, look into the side mirror, look into the blind spot, which is over there, and then you gradually go over. That is essentially what the lane change is all about. And with enough practice, you'll get good at it. As a new driver, and even some older drivers are scared to change lanes. So if you follow those tips, it'll be way easier than you would think it would. It is actually, it's really not that difficult, right? So rear view mirror, side mirror, blind spot, and then go over. Alright? Follow those steps and changing lanes will eventually become quite easy. Alright? Thank you for watching, and as usual, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Mess around, make this official. Shawty, you the baddest. You the baddest. Depression automatic.